Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change cabin air filter Subaru Legacy full guide. Open the glove box and gently lower it, then unclip the stops to access the filter housing behind it. Remove the old filter by sliding it straight out while noting airflow direction. Inspect the compartment for leaves and debris, vacuum if needed, and insert the new filter with the correct orientation to ensure proper airflow and fit. Start by lowering the glove box fully and releasing the damping arm or side stops so the box can hang down. Locate the rectangular access door for the cabin filter and depress the tabs to open it. Grip the old filter and pull it straight out, watching for trapped leaves or dust that may fall free. Keep the housing clean and visually inspect seals before sliding in the replacement filter to restore airflow. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips and tutorials. It really helps our channel grow. Quick recommendation. There is a book I love called The Simple Path to Wealth that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with doing your own car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check the directional arrow on the new filter and align it so airflow moves toward the blower motor, as indicated. Slide the filter into the housing evenly to avoid bending or tearing the pleats, then snap the access cover shut until it clicks securely. Reposition the glove box stops and damping arm, then run the fan briefly to confirm airflow is unblocked and quiet. Record the date of service for future maintenance reminders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.